Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of December. And first of all, national news. Three candidates filed nominations for Rajya Sabha elections. UPSC declared result of Civil Services Main Examination 2024. TB deaths reduced by 21.4% in 2023. Smart India Hackathon to begin at IIT Jammu on December 11th. Noida International Airport will boost connectivity and ease of living for NCR and UP, PM Modi. Education Ministry enhanced material cost under PM Poshan by 13.70%. Opposition submitted no confidence motion against Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Students can appear for any subject in CUET UG from 2025 irrespective of class 12 subjects UGC. Government is working to bring new mental health mission, Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul. And now some international news. Israel carried out dozens of airstrikes across Syria. New Zealand planned to ban greyhound racing, citing high injury rates. Mass evacuation of Philippine villages underway after volcanic eruption. China has deployed largest fleet of ships in decades, Taiwan. Sri Lanka President Anura Kumar Dissanayake to embark on an official tour to India. Now some sports news. BCCI appointed Devajit Saikia as board's acting secretary. Women's Junior Asia Cup Hockey, India defeated Malaysia 5-0 in Muscat. India beat Sri Lanka 5-0 in Deaf Bilateral Cricket Series in Delhi. Odisha Masters 2024 Manav Chaudhary defeated Mohammad Munawar in men's singles qualification round. News related to business. Government plan to appoint 2 lakh Bima Sakhis over next 3 years. SIP inflows cross rupees 25,000 crore mark for second consecutive month in November. One Nation One subscription scheme likely to begin next year. And RBI Governor Shaktikant Das expressed gratitude in emotional post as he demitted office. A restoring inflation growth balance most important task ahead of RBI Shaktikant Das. And that's all in news. Thank you.